Okay, so this is my new setup. I changed it last night. You remember the old thing that was over here next to my Wi-Fi router? This was my old setup thing. This, this, this one, that one, and that one was my old setup. And then I cut it into 3 pieces. Put one there, one there, one there. Put random wood and games there that I don't play to keep my speaker there, and then my other thing of speakers. So, and then I have surround sound. That's there. I'm planning on getting surround sound over here and here. That's pointing to me. But as of right now, I'm not making another gaming videos. I'm just setting up for a game because I'm gonna play some game and stuff. But if you guys can do what I want, if you guys can get me at least to 13 subs. 13, I had 13, someone unsubbed. There's one person that subbed would get me back into making videos for you guys. I will keep making little videos, but not a lot. But I'll go wild once I hit 13 subs, not 15 anymore, because I see that's impossible.